10min quick installation. With non-polarity and truly plug-and-play design, this all-in-one compact conversion kit can easily be applied to your vehicle's housing within 10 minutes. No tools or modification needed. Note: please do hold the lamp body to rotate, do not twist the connector. 300% high brightness. With the usage of superior CSP chips, the LED headlight bulbs provide up to 300% more light and 6000 K white clearer vision while driving at night, ditching your yellow and dim stock lights. 1-to-1 perfect beam pattern. With vertical aligned LED components design, these LED bulbs perfectly mimic the original halogen beam pattern, delivering wider angle and farther range light on the road. No glare to oncoming traffic, no dark spots, safe and reliable. 50,000 hours long lifetime. With top-grade materials and heatsink designed to exceed minimum heat transfer requirements, this LED combo ensures durability and superb performance. Longer lifespan, less replacement for drivers seeking toughness. This product is a combination of high beam and low beam, very suitable for installation. If you have any questions, please contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Kind of disappointed in the level of brightness. Was hoping for a longer beam pattern on the low beams. They're pretty short and slightly brighter. Might check out another brand for the low beam.